Hi guys, welcome to my video. आज चाहिँ अब मैले यो अर्डर गरेको थिएँ. I order. This is actually grown man's toy. Alright, it's a grown man's toy, so I can unbox it and I'm gonna see what's inside here. Alright, so let me open the packet. Ooh. Dun, 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 open. Stock again. This is a cable. So this is a camera, Samsung camera NX3000.
Oh no!
So I ordered from eBay actually. Ordered from eBay and then it received today. Was a quick receive. And then camera, let's see this. There you go. Very nice. Size is good, it can fit in my palm. Wow, it's good. Screen is very good. It's a flippable screen. Battery is on. No car. Wow, good. And then let's see the lens. So that's the lens, and this is a cover for this one, so you can cover it as well. And then what you can do is you can open this glass and then fit the lens. The lens like this. Take the cover. And then you can see it actually. So regarding the testing of this camera, I will do some testing and then we'll upload on that. For now, this is it. It comes with the cable, and then also cable is here, and then also I have this flash. So I can put the flash over here. So I can put the flash as well. It's a very good. That's all. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much. And we'll once I do the testing, I will upload the photos and videos from this camera. This lovely, beautiful NX3000 camera. Okay, so thank you. Please like and subscribe this channel. See you on the next vlog.